Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be learning very important and interesting topic of maths, that is capacity. We have already done mass and length. In case you have not seen those videos, go and watch them. Okay. Today we will be concentrating on capacity. Anything in liquid form, when we want to measure, we measure them in liters, that is the capacity. So standard unit of capacity is liters. So 1 liter means how many milliliter? See here, I have written here 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, in capacity, unlike length, there are only two things to remember. In mass and length also I have given you box like this. So here also I am going to give you a box so that the relation between or the conversion from liter to milliliter and vice versa becomes easy for you to remember. Okay. Liter is heavy, so I have put it down, and milliliter is light, so I have kept it on top. Now relation between liter and milliliter is of 1000. So I have written here 1000. Whenever we are going up, we multiply, and coming down is always division. What does it mean? If you want to convert from liter to how many milliliter, then we need to multiply by 1000. If milliliters are given and you need to find out the liters, you are coming down from milliliter to liter, you are coming down, so you need to divide by 1000. It is as simple as that. And students, sometimes they give 2 liters and a quarter liter. 2 and a quarter liter. So students get confused. Quarter liter means 250 ml. 250 ml, that is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is always a quarter of liter. So that is a quarter of a liter. So whenever the word quarter of a liter comes, it means it is 250 ml. Okay. Similarly, 500 ml means half of a liter. Half of liter, because 1 liter is 1000 ml. So half means 500. So whenever I say or anybody says 3.5 liter means 3 liters and half liters. So that is 3 liters and 500 ml. Okay. So 3500 ml in short. Okay. So half liter means 500 ml. Students, now let us start with actual examples so that understanding this concept of capacity becomes even more easy for you. So let's begin right away. Students, to begin with, I'll be taking simple addition and subtraction of liter milliliter. Okay. 744 liter 75 milliliter minus 655 liter 45 milliliter. In that case, first thing what you should do is this: liter milliliter. Okay. Now see, this liter can have as many numbers as it can. There is no restriction. But this smaller thing, ml is small, isn't it? Lighter. This side always has limited places. Who decides this place? See, the relation. 1 liter is how many ml? 1000 ml, which we have learned just now. 1000 has how many zeros? 3 zeros. Barabar? So, this ml will have 3 places. Not 2, not 4. 3 means 3. So, this will have 3 places, right? And what have they given? 744 and just 75. They are 2 digit. But here I have to fill 3 places. If I just write here 75, my answer is going to be wrong. And one of the option will be given like that. Because we want to catch students. That is our favorite job. Okay. But my students, no, they will not make mistakes. Okay. So here 3 places. 3 places I have to fit in this 75. So I can write like this. Obviously I have to start from the rightmost. So 7, 5 and here nothing, so 0. This 0 will decide whether you will get marks or no. So minus 6, see 744, here I can have 7,44,000 also. Here लीटर के इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मिलीलीटर को 3 ही प्लेसेस देने हैं. So 655, 045. If I write 45, gone. Now intellectual part is over. Now just the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. Then 0. Then here 4 and 5. So I have to take help of this. 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then here 6 and this is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So my answer is 89 liters, 030 ml. Answer could be 89 liters, 30 ml. They are same. It could be this or this, anything. They are same. So answer is, because this 0, if I remove, it is just 30 only. No, I am not writing 300. I am writing 30 only. This is also 30. This is also 30. Okay. So 89 liters, 30 ml is the answer. Be careful with these zeros. 3 places you have to occupy. Now here same way, liters, milliliters, 215 milliliter has to have 3 places because the relation between these two is of 1000 again. So 065 plus 112, 045. See student, once this is done, anybody can do the addition, but only smart students can write this 0 here. So if you want to be smart, you have to keep a track. How many places I should give to this ml, or in case of lengths also, whichever is on the right side has a definite number of places. You cannot give more, you cannot give less. Even though they have given you less digits, you have to occupy with 0. Okay, fill up those places with 0, but 3 means 3. Okay. Addition. Simple addition. 10, so carry 1. 11, so carry 1. Here 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7, 2, 3. Simple. So my answer is 327 liters, because it's in the liters section. 110 ml. So answer is this. Okay. Here they won't give 327 and 11. No. Here it is 110, 3 digit, 110. Here 0 was here. So I can remove it. 030 means 30. Right? But 110 is not 11 because 0 is on that side. It has got value here. Okay, so it is 110 means 110. If one of the option is 327 and 11 ml, don't choose that. Okay, let's begin with actual sums right away. Students, you will see the sum on your screen now. Rehana has a jar of capacity 250 ml. How many jars of water should she pour to fill a bucket with capacity 15 liters of water? See students, here Rehana has to fill up 15 liters, such a big bucket with 250 ml mug, right? So in this case, she will have to fill up 15 liters. So your first job is 15 liters convert into ml, that is 15 into 1000, that is 15,000. Now this liter has become ml, this is ml. Now this 15,000 ml we will have to divide by 250 ml. Whatever will be the answer, your quotient, that will be your answer. See student, here what we are doing? We are first converting this 15 liter by multiplying by 1000 into ml, 15,000 ml. Then we are dividing it by 250. Here the problem is, such a big number is a divisor. See, one thing you can do, you can remove this 0 and this 0, right? That you can do. So new thing will be 1500 divided by 25. Still, students may not know or may not be comfortable with the table of 25, and the probability of making mistake increases. So I will share a trick and a shortcut with you. If this kind of sum is asked, then I will give you certain relations. You can pause the video, write down this relation which I'll be giving you now, because it is very important. Okay? See, relation with 1000. Okay? If it is 5, relation is of 200. If it is 10, relation is of 100. If it is you can say 100, the relation is of 10. If it is 125, relation is of 8. I will explain what does it mean. If it is 200, relation is of 5. If it is 250, relation is of 4. If it is 500, relation is of 2. What I mean by relation with 1000? How many 5 ml can be there, or how many 5, forget about ml, how many 5s are there in 1000? 200 5s are there. How many 10s can be there in 1000? 100. In short, when I divide 1000 by 5, I get 200. 1000 by 10, I get 100. Like that, I have given you this. Whenever you see in these kinds of sum, especially, now in this sum they have given 250 ml. 250 ml, again 250 ml, like that. So 250 ml means what is the relation? 4. 250 ml, the relation is 4. So instead of dividing by 250, we can multiply by 4. See, imagine division by 250 means divisor is 250. 15,000 divided by 250. 250 is such a big number to divide. Instead of that, if I have one other root by which I can multiply by 4, multiplication by 4 is very simple. So this thing can be replaced by multiplication by 4. Why? Because 250 has a relation of 4 and 15 liter bucket. So 15, no need of conversion of ml, nothing, whatever number is given, 15 liter bucket. So I have taken 15 into whatever is the relation of this 250, that is 4. Answer is 60. 60 times she will have to pour 250 ml, 250 ml. We will do this and see whether we are getting 60. Okay. To make it even more simpler, I will remove this 0. So 25, if you know the table, nothing like it. Otherwise, I have seen students making the table of 25. Okay, 25 6 are 150. Then they forget to write this 0 on top. They just choose option 6, which will be there. If it is there 6, they forget to write this 0. All these tensions are there when we divide this. You can do division like this also. 1 0 gone, then division by 5. You will get answer 60. But again, the most important factor is time. टाइम जितना सेव कर सकते हो उतना करना है, not at the cost of the answer. Answer has to be correct. Okay. So here I have shared a trick with you. Whenever they give you something like that, कि 250 ml का जग है, उससे पानी भरना है बकेट में, बकेट कितना है 15 liters. So forget about this 250. Just find out the relation of 250 with 1000. That is 4. So now which number you should take the help of is 4, not 250. So instead of dividing it by 250, we have to now multiply by 4. Answer is ready. Within few seconds answer will be ready. Otherwise imagine doing this. Okay. We will take similar sum again. It will come on your screen. A bottle can contain 5 ml of medicine. How many bottles are needed for 1 liter of medicine? Again, here it is same thing. Each bottle contains 5 ml. It has got total 1 liter of medicine. 1 liter of medicine. So in short, we want to divide this 1 liter of medicine in small bottles of 5 ml, 5 ml, 5 ml. So obviously distribution means division. Here again I will have to convert this 1 liter into milliliter. That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 1000 divided by 5. Whatever quotient, that will be your answer. Again we will follow the trick which we used in the earlier sum. What is the relation of 5 with 1000? It is 200. So instead of division by 5, I will multiply by 200. With what? Whatever is the total. Now in the previous sum it was 15 liter of bucket, so we had taken 15. Here it is 1 liter total. So 1 into 200, because relation of 5 with 1000 is of 200. So answer is 200. Ready-made answer is ready. Here also you will get the same thing. Here fortunately 5, so it is not that difficult as 125. In case it is 125 here, imagine doing the table of 125 and then going ahead with the division. It will take so much of time. So instead of division by 125, what we will do? We will multiply by 8. So similarly here, now here it is relatively simple. These two zeros अपने कुछ काम के नहीं है ऐसा मत समझना. These two zeros we have to use here. Every digit we must use somewhere or the other. If here कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो you have to shift those zeros to the quotient area. Okay. So 200 and 200. Answer won't change. Here we are avoiding this division. Here it is 5, but suppose it is 125, then 125 का तो table आता नहीं है. Then I have seen students making 125 into 1 jar, 125 into 2 jar. Imagine कितना time जाएगा. Can't afford, right? So we should know shortcuts to deal with these kinds of sum. So always remember, whatever relation I have given you, revise that. So whenever it is 125, multiply, instead of dividing by 125, multiply by 8. If it is 200, instead of dividing by 200, multiply by 5. Like that, okay? Let's go ahead with the next sum. 750 ml of water flows per minute through a water tap. If the water tap is kept open for an hour, how many liters of water would flow through it? Very bad. Water, we must save water, isn't it? So wasting water is not a good idea at all. Anyway, we'll go ahead with the sum. 1 minute में, in 1 minute, how much water is wasted? In 1 minute, 750 ml, right? 750 ml water is flowing. So if the tap is kept open for 1 hour, see they have given relation of 1 minute and they are asking about 1 hour. So first thing here, minute, here hour, we have to convert this hour into minutes. You all know 1 hour is 60 minutes. They have given water wastage for 1 minute. 1 minute में कितना पानी जाता है? 750 ml. So how much water will flow if we keep that tap open for 60 minutes? 1 is given, 60 they are asking. 1 they have given, many they are asking. From 1 to many, it is always multiplication. So you have to multiply 750 into 60. See student, you can do it like this, or to avoid confusion, you can do it like this. I told you, these places are fixed. This can have as many as it wants, okay? 1 liter is 1000 ml. 1000 has 3 zeros, so ml has to have 3 places. So 750 ml, I am writing it here. Here nothing, so 0. Now I am multiplying by 60. 60 you can write anyway. Simple multiplication. Okay. 2 zeros I will give like this. This 1 0 and this 1 0. Now I am multiply with 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 will go here. See, 2 zeros, 1 from 60, 1 from this 750. I have given 1 below this 0 and 1 below this 5. So 2 places are gone. Now only 1 place is remaining, which will fill up with the actual multiplication of digits. 6 5s are 30. So 0 has come here, 3 has gone in this area. 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45. So your answer is ready. 45 liters, 0 ml. You can do it like this also. 2 zeros here. 6 5s are 30. 6 7s are 42 plus 3, 45. This was ml. So obviously this is also ml. 45,000 ml. With the help of that box which I have given you in the beginning, ml का conversion करना है liter में. From ml we want to come down to liter, so we need to divide by 1000. So divide by 1000. Zeros गए. It is 45 liters. Answer won't change. Students, answer won't change. This is a bit of a, what you can say, systematic way. You see here luckily 0 0 आया. अगर कुछ आता था तो to avoid the confusion, only thing is I prefer you write like this, okay? To avoid the confusion with mls, okay? Students, with this we are through with this chapter capacity, okay? If you have any query, doubt, you can very well put them in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer your queries, okay? If you like my video, then share with your friends, more and more friends. And in case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will know all the topics. I will be covering all the topics of IT as well, okay? So don't forget to click on the bell icon also, so that you get notification as soon as I upload a new video, okay? Next time I will come with the new topic. Till then, study well and most importantly, enjoy studying. Bye.